Good afternoon, students. Welcome to computers class. Today we are going to start first chapter of the computers, that is history of computer. History is the past of anything. So we'll study about the past of the computer. Okay, so students, this is the first chapter, history of computer. Okay, now we will read this. First you have to read concept of counting. Counting means to count the numbers or things. The computer is an electronic machine that touches every aspect of our life, making it fast, easier and comfortable. We rely on computers for most of our daily work. Computer has its own history. It has been a combination of efforts and ideas of many people from all over the world. The concept of counting started with the existence of human beings. In the ancient time, people used to count with the help of stones, pebbles, bones, sticks, finger, toes, etc. and store the information by making marks on wall, pillars, rocks, etc. So, it means कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस. कंप्यूटर क्या है? जिसके ऊपर हम वर्क करते हैं, जो हमारे मोस्ट ऑफ आवर डेली लाइफ के वर्क्स जो हैं वो उसको सिंप्लीफाई और सिंपल बना देता है हमारे लिए. लेकिन अभी जो हम कंप्यूटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं इसकी अपने भी कुछ हिस्ट्री होएगी, कुछ पास्ट होएगा, तो उसके बारे में हम आज पढ़ेंगे. ओके, इन द एंशिएंट टाइम, एंशिएंट मीन्स इन प्रीवियस टाइम, पीपल कैसे काउंट करते थे? विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिंगर्स, टूल्स, स्टोन्स, स्टिक्स, बोन्स. बट हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ फिंगर्स इन आवर हैंड? 10. तो हम 10 से अगर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा काउंटिंग करनी है, हंड्रेड्स में, थाउजेंड्स में, तो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू यूज़ आवर फिंगर्स फॉर दिस लार्ज काउंटिंग. सो इन द कोर्स ऑफ टाइम इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट to do bigger and complex calculations with such objects. So, people started thinking of some kind of device which could make their task easier. ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग में हम ये इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को यूज़ करके काउंट करते थे, लेकिन जैसे जैसे टाइम स्पेंड होता गया हमारी कैलकुलेशंस इंक्रीज हो गई, है ना, तो फिर इट बिकम्स डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर देम कि हम सारी काउंटिंग पॉसिबल कर पाए. तो सो वी नीड अ डिवाइस विच कुड मेक देयर टास्क ईजियर. सो दस द फर्स्ट कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस वाज, ये आप सबने सुना, एबाकस. एबाकस वाज इन्वेंटेड. नाउ वील स्टडी अबाउट सम अर्ली कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइसेस. द फर्स्ट वन इज abacus. Abacus was first calculating device invented about 5000 years ago by the Chinese. किसने इसको इन्वेंट करा था? चाइनीज ने. Simple calculations like addition, subtraction can be performed using an abacus. It is still in use in different parts of the world. Now the question arises, how abacus look like? तो कैसा दिखता है हमारा abacus? It's like this. ऐसे ही होता है, सबने इसको यूज किया हुआ है ना. It was used for addition and subtraction. But with the use of abacus हम बहुत सारी कॉम्प्लेक्स कैलकुलेशन, डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते थे. So the next calculating device was Napier's bones. Okay, in 1617, a Scottish mathematician, John Napier, invented a calculating device called Napier's bones. 1617 में एक स्कॉटिश मैथमेटिशियंस ने नेपियर बोन्स को इन्वेंट किया। दिस डिवाइस इज अ सेट ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर रॉड्स marked with numbers on them. It was meant for simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers. Later on, it was improved to perform division and to find the square roots. Okay. आप सबने एबाकस तो पहले से देखा हुआ था, यूज भी किया था मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स ने, बट नेपियर बोन्स हमने कभी नहीं देखा। सो द नेपियर बोन्स लाइक दिस, ऐसा होता था नेपियर बोन्स, ठीक है। काउंटिंग यहाँ पे भी लिखी रहती थी 1 to 9 एंड यहाँ पे भी। फिर हम इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके इनके रिजल्ट्स को यहाँ पे सॉल्व कर, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0 1 0। अब आप सारे सोच रहे होंगे अगर यहाँ पे 0 आ गया तो ये कौन सा 0 है? दिस इज फॉर द 2 digit रिजल्ट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज 9 2, 9 2s are 18, so 8 come here and 1 come here. Okay, this is your Napier's bone. Next one is after Napier's bones, Pascaline has come. What is Pascaline? In 1642, a French mathematician named Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical computing machine known as Pascaline. Okay, the first calculating device was abacus. The first mechanical computing machine is Pascaline. Okay, it consisted of a box with movable gears that could add, subtract, multiply and divide the numbers very easily. Now I am going to show you how Pascaline look like. This is your Pascaline. Okay, ये इस सर्कल को मैंने थोड़ा बिकर करके आपको दिखाया है, ठीक है, कि कैसे, और ये वर्क कैसे करता है, ये रोटेट करता है और कैसे करता है, आई शो यू। इन दिस वीडियो you are able to see how Pascaline works.
Input dials and output windows on the top of the Pascaline. Inside each of the dials, we can see a small drum with digits 0 to 9 written on it. Each drum has 2 rows of numbers, one below the other. Every time when an addition takes place, the top row of the output windows are covered with a horizontal slat. Through the bottom windows, you can see the results of the addition. The top row shows you 9th complement numbers, which helps you in doing subtraction. Each input dial is divided into 10 parts using spokes. In order to enter a digit, you need put a stylus into the middle of appropriate spokes. You need to rotate the spokes clockwise till the spokes you rotate reaches the metal indicator or fixed stop located at the bottom of the dials. Entering numbers consecutively in the dials displays their sum on the output windows. For example, if we want to add 38 plus 42,
So this was the way how Pascaline works. So the next calculating device is Leibniz calculator. In 1692, the more advanced calculating machine named Step Reckoner was developed by a German mathematician, Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. It could perform all 4 operations, mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So with this calculator we can perform multiplication, addition, division and subtraction. Now I am telling you one thing, look like this, look at it. Update your knowledge. The principle of Pascaline is still used in water meter, odometer and speedometer. Okay, now I'll show you How's your Leibniz look likes? This is your Leibniz calculator. We just rotate it like this. उसके बाद यहाँ पे numbers खुद ब खुद change होते थे and then we can perform our operations. In this video you will see how sure this machine works. So these were your calculating devices. So today we stop here. In next class we will read rest of the chapter. Before wind up our today's lesson, we just recapitulate our today's lesson. Okay. Answer me these questions. Your first is first calculating device. कौन सा पढ़ा हमने first calculating device जो आप लोग यूज भी करते हो कभी कभी? This is abacus. The next one is when Napier's bones invented. कब invent हुई थी और किसने invent किया था इसको? John Napier in 1617. Next one is first mechanical calculating machine. First calculating device your abacus. First mechanical calculating machine is Pascaline and invented by Blaise Pascal. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class.